Here we will write a Python program to check entered number is Armstrong number or not. Number is called as Armstrong number when its sum of cube of its digit is equal to the number. For example, 153 is an Armstrong number since 1 raised to 3 plus 5 raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3 is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27, that is 153. For this, first we will accept the number. So n equal to int input, enter number to check. Then we will declare some variables, d which is initialized with 0, total which is also initialized with 0. Then we will define another integer variable I in which we will store n, and we will use while loop. So while I greater than 0, first we will separate out the digit. So d equal to I mod 10. Then we will calculate the total. So total equal to total plus cube of a digit. So d into d into d. And then we will remove last digit from the number. So I equal to I floor division 10. Then outside the while loop we will check whether number is Armstrong or not. For this we will use if statement. So if n equal to total, we will print number is Armstrong number. Else we will print number is not Armstrong number. Then we will execute this. I will enter number 153. It will print number 153 is an Armstrong number. If I execute again and I will give 456, it will print 456 is not an Armstrong number.